Environmental pollution lecture series. We see noise pollution in this video. So, what is a noise pollution? It is defined as an unwanted, unpleasant, or disagreeable sound that causes discomfort for all living beings. The sound intensity is measured in decibels. We call it as dB. So here is a quick look over the decibel ranges and what it causes. We start from a low decibel range. 20 is it is nothing but a watch tickling, and 30 is a whispering tattoo. We speak in library with a low voice, and 40 is the sound of a refrigerator, and 50 is a moderate rainfall. 60 is like a conversation and dishwashers. And from 70, the sound level is being defined as louder and very louder. That is, 70 is like an alarm clock, a traffic, city traffic, and 80 is the noise from the factories, restaurants, and the screaming of child. And over this, it's going to be an extremely loud one, where 90 is from motorcycle and the highway sound, lawnmower, and 100 is a subway helicopter sound chainsaw, and extremely loud is a car horn and a snow blower. Then 120 decibel is a rock concert, and around 140 is a shotgun blast, which causes a painful acoustic trauma. The sources of or the causes of noise pollution. So the data says that at every 10 years, the noise pollution is becoming double. So what are the sources or the causes of noise pollution? The first important source is industrial noise, the noise which come out from the industry due to the operating of machines. Then the next one is a transport noise. In road, the horn of car, bus, truck, and the movement of these vehicles create noise and traffic in cities. The neighborhood noise, that is, the neighbors can do a, or hear a video or a movie with a loudspeaker, like that. Then, what are the effects of this noise pollution? So, the noise pollution affects both health and mental behavior. An unwanted sound noise can damage psychological health. Noise pollution can cause an annoyance, aggression, hypertension, high stress level, even hearing loss, sleep disturbances, and other harmful effects. What are the control measures of noise pollution? The one is source control. This may include source modifications such as design change, limiting the operational time. Noise can be reduced by prescribing noise limit for vehicular traffic, creation of silent zones near schools and hospitals. Transmission path intervention, the provision of sound absorbing materials along the path. Receptor control, protection of a receiver by altering the work schedule, provision of personal protection devices, cars as earplugs for operating noisy machineries. And how can we reduce this noise pollution? The major one is proper oiling and will reduce the noise from the machine. Planting trees around houses can also act as an effective noise barriers. Different types of absorptive material can be used to control interior noises. So thank you. In this, we discussed about what is a noise pollution, what is a decibel, and what are the levels of decibel that can affect the person, and what are the sources of noise pollution, and the effects of noise pollution, and the control measures of noise pollution. Thank you.